Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is actually server-side container. This is short brief and short video. So I just want to explain with you what actually server-side tracking and why we need to use server-side tracking. So normally we are set up our website all is script using Google Tag Manager like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, something like this. All conversion tracking we set up our Google using our website using through Google Tag Manager, right? So on Google Tag Manager, we have a different container. One is web and one is server. Normally, we are using web. So this is normally we are using web and base is web. So we are using web server and we are using server web container and we are using server container. So what is actually server works? So if I select a server, so we can send data to directly web to server. They have an option to send web to server send. So we just directly send all event to server. So that's why our server get data to using web event. But the problem is for ITPs, normally we are set up Google Analytics, all conversion tracking on our website through Google Tag Manager. But the problem is first party cookie and third party cookie and ad blocker. For this ad blocker, we are not connecting Google Tag Manager to our website. That's why we lost all conversion tracking to our website. Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, other is not working because Google Tag Manager is not connected on our website. Cause is ad blocker. And the another option is ITPs, ETPs, ad blocker. That's why, and using the cookie. That's why we are not connected Google Tag Manager on our website. That's why our tracking will fail. The another option is what happening actually. Apple Safari browser, Apple Safari intelligent tracking prevention ITPs launch is 2017 and now 2023 we are seeing Google Chrome is still deprecation of third-party cookie. And what is actually Safari? Safari working first-party cookie validity is 24 hours. That's why today we have run like at Google Ads, and today we got some like a user, but this user not buying our product. This not sub conversion, did not make any conversion, but tomorrow they make conversion. But this conversion will not affect to Google Ads because of our cookie validity is only 24 hours. For this cookie validity, custom loader, first party cookie, and this all data cookie and auto scaling server. That's why we are using step server. So how actually works? So if I go on this third domain, so you see normally we are using this, and here is like a browser is Safari browser, ad blocker, ITPs, ETPs, all. That's why we are using a cloud server. It's called step server, step.io, and we are our all data directly sent to a step server, and step server directly sent to all data to Google Analytics. What is a step server? This is actually Google Tag Manager server container, and this is Google Tag Manager web container. So normally web container, we are set up our conversion Google Tag Manager script is this one. This is third party, right? And what is first party? We are making our GTM a subdomain, our domain dot a differently way we put our website. And this is the first party. That's why we will see our first party is working. So that's why first party working and ITPs, all data we are tracking perfectly. And the another option is pricing. So pricing is so many low on step server is only $20 per month. We are tracking, we get 6 cloud server. 6 cloud server mean like today if we get so many data, so this is this step server is auto scaling this cloud server. And the another option is this is also cookie based GDPR rules, cookie based compliant is hosting this step server, and they are providing 3 zones like Amsterdam in Netherlands and Warsaw in Poland and Paris from France, and also they are provide Germany. I know. So there is already expanded, try to expand it in near future. That's why using a step server, and this is low price. If we talk about Shopify, so Shopify have an extra plugin is Get 11. Eliver tracking, using this Eliver, we are tracking Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, TikTok, all conversion we will set up on here. But the problem is Eliver took 1000 order per month. They took this is also provide server side tracking guarantee 100%, but they take so many. Their pricing is so many high, 150. If your business is, if you get 1000 plus order monthly, so they charge 350. So, but using this, if we set up the same way, we can buy a 50 plan from here, $50 plan. If we select a $50 plan, so we will get 6 cloud server, and also this is $50. We can set up all conversion tracking. So this is the simple brief. That's why we are using step server, and step server provided all solution like ad blocker solution, ITPs, ETPs, and cookie, all cookie keeper, all conversion. There for the Safari browser, extend server set cookie lifetime user for the latest version ITP in Safari in 60.4. So that's why we're using a step server, and that's why we are tracking this data. And you see this is the final of tracking. This is the step server main structure. Normally we are using Google Tag Manager web container. We are set up this all pixels, all scripts, all conversion scripts. But now we are using is Google Tag Manager server container, and we connect this server container to a step server, and then normally our website send data to step server through Google Tag Manager. Then step server send data to Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel through server. So that's all about. Hope you understand what I'm talking about that. Thank you so much.